Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract the hour from a date time field in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me. I've also uploaded this file to GitHub, and I've left a link to the file in the video notes so you can download the file into the tutorial along with me should you wish to do that. So essentially, let's say I want to calculate so I've got due date, ship date fields, and I want to maybe calculate the hour from the due date. How do I go about doing that? So I'll just go over here and say new column, and I'll just say due date r is equal to r, and then I can say so I'll just select the due date and close the brackets here and hit enter. And you can see that it's created a new field here, and all of them are 0 because if you look at the due date, everything is 12 a.m. So essentially all the hour is 0 here, but you get the concept, and you can play it with other dates, date time fields where you've got different hours of the day, so it should work. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.